Hey guys, here, hang on one sec. Is that better? Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today, we're gonna be opening up this cool thing of magnets. And I actually saw people doing YouTube channels about these things. And I heard that they were really cool, so yeah, I saw some at the store today. I was lucky enough to be allowed to buy them. So today we're gonna try them out and see if they're what they're made out to be. So I've got one of them open here. Oh, these are really cool. So as you can see, it's in my hand. Hang on, I need to open it real quick. Papa? Okay, guys, so here are the... What? What?
You just call me?
Yeah, I have the scissors for you.
Oh, you want to take it? Would you get scared when Vinny came?
No, I was just like,
Because
I didn't want him to eat the magnets.
Yeah, you didn't expect him to eat it.
Oh.
Come on, then, shut.
Yeah. Okay, so sorry for that interruption. So I'm just gonna be using these and seeing if there's any cool things that I can make. So obviously, you can tell they're pretty cool things. Like you can squish them and do all the stuff. And I have this. It's a case for them. It's a case for them. It's a stand for them. And it's it's like a magnet, so you can like cut it and stuff. Yeah, look, that's cool. Subscribe to UV2 Simpson Town on YouTube. It's my friend. You should subscribe to him. He doesn't post videos that much, but they're pretty cool. So yeah, and also subscribe to Snacky75. He used to have an account, but his account got deleted, so he gave up on YouTube. But he still has an account on YouTube, just not a channel. But he used to have a channel, but all his videos are deleted on it, obviously. So you can just go follow that. That would be cool too. And follow not follow. How can I say? Subscribe to Not James Now 45. He's kind of cool too. Yeah. Forget his name. I think it's Beast 19 or something. Yeah, he's a pretty cool YouTuber too. They're all friends of mine. So I actually have TikTok. So if you go to my TikTok, it is that_boy_capo. I actually make some pretty hilarious videos on that app. So if you want to go check that out, you can. Not to like bore you guys playing with this. I'm actually in the cave right now at my grandparents' cave house, and I have the biggest bed in the house for a couple days because my parents aren't here right now, only my grandparents. So I have the biggest room in the house. It's the king bed, the biggest room in the house, and I have it for, this is the last night that I have it, but I've already had it to myself for like 4 days. So yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. So look, so see, right here. here I have this right here. I take this thing and I go. Then it looks like that. But as you can see, they're trying to connect, because on the other side, it's like this one right here. This one right here is down at the bottom over here. So it's trying to like connect to the, yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. So this was just kind of a unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to all those people that I said to subscribe to. Follow my TikTok. And I hope you guys have a good day. Subscribe, turn on post notifications. Goodbye.